stuck with a dead battery? Don't let it ruin your day. Introducing the MACBOT 3-meter jumper cable, built for reliability when you need it most. Available in 10mm and 12mm heavy-duty thickness, these cables deliver powerful, efficient current flow for quick jump starts. Equipped with strong, durable clamps for a firm, safe connection every time. And with superior build quality, setup is simple and mistake-free, even in stressful moments. Long, tough, and dependable. The 3-meter length gives you the flexibility you need in any situation. MACBOT jumper cables. Power you can trust. Anytime. Anywhere.